Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. I kind of want to do an update video today. It's the middle of April, and one of the first videos I put out this year, I believe I might have even videoed it in the first week of January. I was talking about how big of a mess the barn was, my workshop, and how many unfinished projects and things that have just been sitting. And I said that I was going to start videoing while I was cleaning up and organizing the shop. And I put some of those videos out, but it got to the point to where some of the videos were just so boring, couldn't get through the edit, much less to post them. So instead I thought I would do one short video that had a little bit of footage from each one, showing what I've accomplished around the barn so far, and I'm really proud of myself. I started off with the front room, and I did a video on the bike organization and a little bit of that. But since then, I've actually finished the entire front room. And the front room, it basically contains everything that we would need if we're going to back the car up to the door, load stuff that we want to, go do an activity. That's camping, backpacking, sporting goods, anything like that. So on one wall, I've got all of our camping gear, and that is backpacking, overlanding, car camping, all the different types of camping that we do. On another wall, I have more sporting goods related. I've got golf clubs, fishing poles, hunting gear, shooting equipment, targets, things of that nature. And then I also have a workbench set up on the last wall that has a charging station, so we can charge power wheels, batteries for multiple things that we use. Also have a little compressor set up that's plugged in, ready to go to air up tires, balls, things of that nature, with all the different accessories we can need for that. It has a place for my son's remote control car to sit, and just anything that we might need, like I said, right by the door. While we were organizing and cleaning up the front room, we were also cleaning up the room I'm in now. This is between the front room and my wood shop. Before, you could barely walk through here. It was just full of stuff. This was just a catch-all room. It really didn't have a purpose. And we just started cleaning, giving away stuff, selling things, throwing things away. If I didn't need it, it was going somewhere. Well, about that same time, we were given a pool table. And now that we finally had room that we could use, we decided to take advantage of it. So we cleaned and painted the floors, scraped all the wallpaper off the walls, painted the walls, put in the pool table, and it has become such a great usable room for us. For the past 3 months, my family has spent so much time in here. While we were at it, I also built a set of barn doors, and right back there, a holder for my pool sticks. And there will be build videos coming out on those shortly. I'm making this video because as I've been going through this process and getting these things done, I've already finished rebuilding the carb on the tractor and done some other work to it, fixed a leaky exhaust manifold. We've been cleaning up the garage portion of my workshop. A new sponsor that I'm not going to reveal just yet. We've got something big going in the garage that I'm looking forward to. But the thing I've noticed is walking in here into a clean, organized space, the amount of anxiety that has went away. Anxiety that I didn't even know existed. And it has been so great, and it's given me the drive to continue to do this. We've made a lot of progress, but we have a long way to go. There are still several more rooms to go that are nothing but a cluttered mess. Behind this door is a cluttered mess. My wood shop is a mess. But how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So that's my update. I guess I'd just love to hear struggles that you are having. If other people out there are having struggles getting things clean, getting things organized, and the successes you're having. To me, I feel like I've got a long way to go, but I'm so happy with what we've accomplished so far. I'd never thought of this as a game room. And now we have such a great room that we can enjoy and use that I would have never had if I hadn't started this journey of trying to clean, organize, and getting rid of stuff. So we've got several build videos coming up, several sponsored videos coming up. Should be seeing those soon. I just wanted to give an update and let you all know what's happening around Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Thanks for watching. Like, if you haven't already, subscribe. See you next time.